Hey, it's Bortone, your go-to video guy with another of the 99 video ideas. You'll never run out of things to talk about and never be at a loss for words on video when you get your free 99 video content ideas at lubortone.com/99. The first and most common type of video for you to create is a frequently asked question series. These are the questions that people always ask you around your expertise or your niche. You can take the top 5 or top 10 frequently asked questions that you get and simply answer them on video, and that is a really quick and easy video series to help you share your expertise. So try a frequently asked questions series, and remember, if you want more video content ideas, just visit lubortone.com/99 for your free video content, no, it's this way, video content ideas. See you next time.